Guangzhou Yangtong Electronics Company Limited, AMAZ, was founded in 2009. We focus on TV foreign trade wholesale. Cooperation Factory established in Foshan in 2003. Owns 1,500 employees and covers an area of 70 kilometers squared, with construction area of 80 kilometers squared. Cooperation Factory has 10 TV assembly lines and 7 TV module production lines, 20 injection molding machines, available to provide the finished TV, SKD, and CKD OEM service. Annual production capacity reaches 4.5 to 5 million sets. Moreover, we established AMAZ's Ethiopian factory in 2015, which is located in Tadak, Addis Ababa. It covers an area of 15 kilometers squared, and constructed area is 22 kilometers squared. Daily output is 1,000 sets TV. Now we are establishing AMAZ Industrial Zone in Ethiopian. With years of experience on TV business, AMAZ will not only be your supplier of TV, but will also be your professional consultant on TV purchasing and selling. We support TT and LC as well. We provide FOB price. Also, we can help you for shipping and custom clearance. Everything you needed, we are available here. Cooperate with AMAZ, your best choice. Life's amazing with AMAZ.
La